Hi, this is Bill Masquez with MarineMax and Stuart, and today I want to show you this awesome Aquila 28 Molokai center console. This boat is made to eat waves. It really flies on top, especially on weather that is against you. Let's go on top of the boat and I'll show you the tremendous space and amenities it offers. We start back here at the transom, powered by twin 200 Mercury V6s. In the middle you have your beach ladder access. Excellent way to have access to the water, diving, swimming, sandbar, you name it. You see the supports, strong, and you are capable of carrying yourself even with your scuba gear up onto the boat with ease. Plenty of rod holders. You have a shower head right over here to rinse off right off the water. And there is a door that encloses fully the transom, so any small animals or kids do not go in the back when you don't want them to. Coming further in, we have two seats right at the transom. Very nice area to sit down and relax, particularly when you have your poles in the water. Your live well, nice size, great way to keep your fish alive and or use it as an ice bucket back here. Sink over the other side to wash your hands off after you cut off your bait. And then right behind you can store your tackle gear, and here you can have your phone charging off the USB ports. Plenty of cup holders right above it. Handles for any personnel that is going to be riding the boat standing while you are driving the boat. Fuel flow for your live well is right over here on the side. Fish boxes left and right, storage and more storage. Coming to the helm, very welcoming area. You have soft padding for your feet while you're standing. Great angled foot position when you are on the bolster, or when you want high bolster sitting, you can go even higher up here. Again, you have a cubby hole with charger for your phones. All the electronics you will ever need, even dual screen availability right next to it. Your basic switching, VHF, digital throttle, electro-hydraulic steering, full windshield except the very top part that allows for great ventilation, particularly when the boat is moving. Additional space for storage for your binoculars, a handheld VHF if you wish, with a compass right in front of you while you captain your boat. Great handles, both sides, so if you get into rough conditions, you have extra support. It also offers a visibility platform, which basically you can gain another 6 inches worth of height. Great position to navigate the boat, especially for our height challenged captains. Going forward, we have a very large size seating area. You can have two loungers, port and starboard, table straight in the middle, opposing seating for the table, two storage bins right over here, an anchor locker in the middle. There is availability of a windlass as well if you wish. Storage underneath the two seats, the two loungers, and also the middle seat. Coming back here, a surprising large head and storage area. It is on gust struts, so it can stay open if you wish. You have storage for the table that we spoke of earlier. That's the door that goes to the transom, and the pump out porta potty right in here, ready for use. Light if you need it in the dark, and service accesses all around. Again, you notice sea deck in here, so you are nice and soft padded basically while you're walking in. This concludes our short presentation. We'd love to show you the boat in person. My name is Bill Masquez with MarineMax in Stuart. Give us a call, visit our website to arrange a showing and or a sea trial. We'd love to help you. Have a great day.